Remove the pressure-sensitive liner from right to left to reveal the sealing surface. Put the card on the filling template, glue side up. The rest of the liner must be left attached to the foil until you've completed dispensing. Once the card is in the filling template, immediately insert the blister sheet into the card starting with the top row. Lower the rest of the sheet into the remaining holes. Apply the roller to ensure the blister sheet is securely held by the adhesive to the card. Using the reverse side as a guide, fill the appropriate blister with the correct medication. Once you are ready to seal the pack, remove the pressure-sensitive liner. As soon as the liner is removed, fold the sealing surface to cover the filled blister. Using the roller, apply firm pressure to the whole surface to seal. Place the correct patient medication labels on the instruction flap. Indicate the shape, colour, etc. of the medication under each label that is applied. The SureMed by Omnicell pack is now complete.